Hey, TikTok fam, tonight we're brewing up something special to help you get the most peaceful sleep ever. Introducing Sleep Brew, let's dive into the magic. Start with 1 part of beautiful rose petals, place them in a pot of water and let them soak for 3 days, but here's the secret sauce, add more rose petals each day. Day 1, Day 2, and on Day 3, here's where the real magic begins. On the 3rd day, at sunrise, add 1 part of myrtle leaves and 1 part of vervain to the mix. Let them soak all day, absorbing the energy of the sun. And now, just before heading to bed, perform a soothing ritual, bathe your forehead with 3 handfuls of this enchanting brew. The result? Your sleep should be free of nightmares, allowing you to drift into a serene dreamland. Use this magical sleep brew until it's all gone, then, when needed, brew up another batch and let the dreamy ritual continue. Bonus tip, embrace the tranquility, consider setting the mood with soft lighting and calming music before bedtime. Sweet dreams, TikTok fam. Try this sleep brew, share the magic, and may your nights be filled with peaceful slumber.